can fix it together.
It's so cool! I love it!
What? Now, let's put this fire out.
Wow! Dad, look! It's so big!
Yes, it's beautiful, just like this moment with you.
Wow! Look at the sky!
Haha, incredible, isn't it?
Dad! Look at the colors in the sky!
Amazing, right? That's an air show.
Dad, I want a helicopter someday.
Then we'll build one together. We'll build your helicopter now from these soda cans.
Really? That's amazing!
Keep your paw away from the sharp edges.
Wow!
Almost there, little one. Keep a steady paw.
Wow, it's perfect, Dad! Amazing!
All right, just a little more here.
Wow, it's almost done, Dad!
Just need to set this piece perfectly.
It looks amazing! It's real! It's so beautiful!
Your dream is ready.
Be careful. Take it slow. Not bad, but let's see what you can really do.
Ah! You think VHs can fly? It's just junk.
I worked really hard on it.
Let's race. Let's see which helicopter is better.
I'm not afraid. Let's do it!
Try to keep up, little toy!
Watch me!
You're too slow! That toy can't keep up!
I won't lose!
You won't outrun me! Let's see about that!
No! Help! We are crashing! Oh no! This is the end! Oh no! My helicopter is broken!
Better luck next time. We can fix it together. Sniff. Okay. Don't worry. I'll build you a new helicopter. Faster. Stronger. Haha.
Really?
Look around. There are plenty of good parts here.
Wow. Really?
We'll build something even better. Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, this one is powerful.
Wow!
Perfect, yeah.
This will make it fly again!
It's amazing. We'll need this to control it. Ah! Ah!
Mighty nuts! Got it!
Got it. We've got everything we need.
Woo! Let's build it! We really can build a better one, right?
Yes. This time.
It will be stronger than ever. Let's get to work!
Yes. Ooh. Wow. It's starting to look amazing.
Piece by piece, we'll make it stronger. It's almost ready.
One last step.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Now it's perfect.
Wow! It's so cool. I love it.
It's yours. Go fly it. I'm ready.
I told you I could do it.
Get down here, you little furball! You won't get away with this!
You won't get away! Yeah! You can't escape me! You're really sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you, my friend.
One, let's fly together. Arf, arf, arf. Yell. Whimper. Ouch. That hurt so much. Look, someone is hurt down there. We need to help right now. Please, help me, Tom.
Hey, are you okay?
My leg, it really hurts.
Don't worry, we're here to help.
There, this will help you feel better. Thank you. It feels much better now.
You did great, little hero. Careful, I've got you. Okay,
Okay, thank you for helping me. You're safe now.
let's go.
Hold on. I'll take you to the hospital right away. We're here. Hold on. Help is coming.
Quickly, we'll take care of you.
Please help him, doctor.
He'll be okay, right?
Yes, he will. Puppy, thank you.
Amazing job. You saved this little one.
We just wanted to help.
Anyone would do the same.
Thank you for saving me. Dad! I helped save a puppy today.
I'm so proud of you, my little hero. I'm so proud of you, my brave little hero.
I just wanted to help everyone.
Quick! A forest is on fire. We need to go now. What?
Let's hurry and help.
Be careful. I'm counting on you.
Let's go, we don't have time.
I'm right behind you. Stay safe out there.
The fire is everywhere. It's worse than I thought.
Stay calm. We'll put it out. Hold steady. We need a full load. It's filling up. Almost there. Now, let's put this fire out. It's working. Keep going.
We did it! The fire is going out! Keep going, we'll stop it completely!
Thank you for saving the forest.
We just did what we had to do. Everyone worked together. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Yay! Bye!